The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and our galaxy, the Milky Way, holds many secrets. Despite centuries of astronomical study, we are still discovering new and fascinating facts about our cosmic home. From mind-bending distances to the mind-boggling concept of other worlds, get ready to embark on a journey through the top 5 most mind-blowing facts about our galaxy. You won't believe what we have in store for you, so sit back, relax, and prepare to have your mind blown. No. 5. The immense distance. Our galaxy is vast, containing hundreds of billions of stars spread out over a massive expanse. The sheer scale of the Milky Way is difficult to comprehend, but we'll do our best to give you a sense of just how big it really is. Let's start with the diameter of the galaxy. The Milky Way is estimated to be between 100,000 and 200,000 light-years across. That means that light, the fastest thing in the universe, would take 100,000 years to travel from one side of the galaxy to the other. To put that into perspective, human beings have only been around for about 300,000 years. We are literally just a blip in the grand scheme of things. But that's just the diameter of the galaxy. What about its thickness? The Milky Way is also estimated to be around 1,000 light-years thick. That means that it would take light 1,000 years to travel from the center of the galaxy to its edge and back again. It's hard to wrap your mind around these numbers, but if you could somehow travel to the center of the galaxy and look up, you would see a massive spiral of stars stretching as far as the eye can see. If you were then able to look down, you would see a thin disk of stars stretching out around you. And if you could somehow travel to the edge of that disk, you would be in for a real treat. You would be able to look back at the center of the galaxy and see a massive black hole. That's right. At the center of the Milky Way lies a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius, a star. This massive black hole is thought to have a mass equal to about 4 million times that of our Sun, and it is truly a sight to behold. The immense gravity of this black hole keeps our solar system and all of the other stars in the galaxy in check. Without it, the galaxy would simply collapse in on itself. So next time you look up at the night sky and see those beautiful stars, remember that they are just a tiny fraction of the hundreds of billions of stars that make up our galaxy. And that galaxy is just one of billions upon billions in the observable universe. We are truly just a small speck in the grand scheme of things. Number 4. The mystery of dark matter. Dark matter is one of the most intriguing mysteries of the universe. It is an invisible substance that makes up a whopping 80% of the mass of our galaxy. Yet we know very little about it. Here's what we do know. Stars and galaxies rotate, and the faster they rotate, the more massive they are. But there is a problem. When astronomers study the rotation of stars in our galaxy, they find that they are rotating much faster than they should. There is simply too much mass in the galaxy for it to rotate in the way that it does, and that extra mass is dark matter. But what exactly is dark matter? No one knows for sure. It doesn't interact with light or any other form of electromagnetic radiation, so it is invisible to us. We can only detect it through its gravitational effects on other objects. One of the leading theories is that dark matter is made up of exotic particles that we have not yet detected. These particles would interact with regular matter only through gravity, which would explain why we haven't seen them yet. Another theory is that dark matter is not a separate substance, but rather a property of space itself. This might sound confusing, but it's actually pretty simple. Space can have gravity just like any other object. All you need is mass and gravity. So it's possible that space itself has gravity, and that's what we're detecting as dark matter. Whatever dark matter is, it makes up a huge portion of our galaxy, and it plays a major role in the structure and evolution of galaxies. It is thought that dark matter is what holds galaxies together, and it also plays a role in the formation of new stars. We still have a lot to learn about dark matter, but one thing is for sure, it is one of the most exciting mysteries of our time. Who knows what other secrets our galaxy is hiding? No. 3. The warped disk. Our galaxy is not quite what it seems. Recent observations have revealed that the disk of the galaxy is actually warped and twisted, which is not what scientists expected to find. The reason for this warping is still unknown, but it is thought that it may be the result of a collision with another galaxy. This is not surprising when you consider that our galaxy has a violent past. In the early days of the universe, galaxies were much smaller and more numerous than they are today. Over billions of years, galaxies have merged and collided to form the massive structures we see today. It's likely that our galaxy has had many run-ins with other galaxies over the eons, and these collisions have left their mark on the galaxy's shape. The warping of the galaxy's disk is just one of the many fascinating features of the Milky Way that scientists are working to understand. With new technology and new discoveries, we are constantly learning more about our galaxy and its place in the universe. One thing is for sure, the universe never ceases to amaze. Number 2. The supermassive black hole. At the center of our galaxy lies a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A star. This massive black hole is one of the most fascinating features of the Milky Way, and it is a reminder of the incredible power of gravity. But how did this massive black hole form? Black holes are formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. When a star runs out of fuel, it can no longer produce the energy needed to support itself against the force of gravity. As a result, the star collapses in on itself, forming a massive black hole. This process can release huge amounts of energy, which can then be detected as a gamma-ray burst. Gamma-ray bursts are some of the most powerful explosions in the universe, and they are thought to be the most energetic events that have ever occurred since the Big Bang. But how did Sagittarius A star get so massive? Well, it's thought that it grew over time by consuming gas and dust from the surrounding galaxy. As it grew, it attracted more and more material and eventually formed the massive black hole that we see today, Sagittarius. A star is a truly remarkable object, and it is a reminder of the incredible forces that shape our universe. Number 1. The uncountable planets. Our galaxy is home to countless stars, and each star could have its own planetary system. But just how many planets are out there? Well, according to NASA, there could be as many as 100 billion planets in the Milky Way. That's 100 billion worlds just waiting to be discovered, and that number could be even higher. With new technology, scientists are constantly finding new exoplanets outside of our solar system. It's only a matter of time before we discover worlds that could support life. Imagine the possibilities. Are we alone in the universe? Or are there other intelligent civilizations out there? Maybe we're not so special after all. The thought is both exciting and terrifying. But one thing is for sure, the discovery of other worlds would change our understanding of the universe forever. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and our galaxy is full of wonders. From the immense distance to the supermassive black hole, our galaxy is truly a sight to behold. And who knows what other secrets it is hiding. With new technology and new discoveries, we are constantly learning more about our place in the universe. And that's a truly exciting prospect. So keep looking up and keep exploring, because the universe is full of surprises. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.